So let's go back now and just to summarize, I told you I like pictures. Pictures help me visualize and they also help me teach. Take a look at my red. My red is my risk management process. My black is my design control process. So how is this impacting each one of these steps? In user needs, risk tells me I've got to take a look at known risks. I've got to review any known risk, whether it's from regulatory databases, mod database, any of those. And it could be published literature. It could be my own proprietary reports from previous studies done on our products, but not commercialized yet. So any known risks have to be included. Like I mentioned a couple times, reduce all the risks possible through the designs. That's the first priority out of ISO 14971. Design it so that it's a safe design up front. So you want that. All risks must be addressed by at least one design input. Then I go through the design and development process. There are going to be a number of iterations at this phase. You're going to do some things and you go, ooh, that's opening a door to another problem. So you do an iteration. So going back and forth between your design phase and your design inputs, you're going to have a number of iterations and you're going to be iterating your risk analysis, your determination of what your residual risk is each time you do that. It can be pretty informal, but you're going to have to remember when you get to your final design outputs, you're going to have a nice formal summary of all of your risks. Design changes we talked about, they can either be post commercialization or part of the design development process, but they fit within that. My design outputs are where I characterize, say, I've reduced all of the final answer out of the design outputs before I hand this off to manufacturing is that I've satisfied 14971 and I've reduced all risks as far as possible, except if I violate the benefit risk ratio. Now, when I take my product and whether I'm doing design verification to test the engineering aspects of it, or design validation and testing the use of that product and it doesn't meet the user needs, all of these plans, all of the statistical analysis, all of my acceptance criteria, all my sampling plans are all based upon risk. And even my design reviews. How many reviews do we do? Which stages do we do them at? How detailed do they need to be? It all depends on the novelty, the level of unknowns, and the risks associated with my medical device.